Hey guys, today we're doing a quick unboxing of this guy. Alright, so I'm going to show you the box first of all, so you guys can see some details that you may not have seen on the website. So, here it is. Alright, and you get 3-year warranty. It's exchange warranty, I think. Alright. And here it is. Okay, so let's just open this up. So this is a must. Whatever you guys get should come with this. Let's open that up. Go, and here's the other end. All right, it's long enough from what I can see. Let's set that aside. Now let's take this guy out. So from the box itself, I can see this is it's not heavy like your big regular compressors, I guess. So there may be some stuff I'm dropping on the floor. Let's set that up there. Let's see what I missed. Dropped on the floor. Alright, so we got this that you guys don't need to see. We got this. So this is what comes in it. And it's actually very important. So here's your splitter. And then we got this. So this is actually the important part about this. Let me take it out and show you guys. Okay. So this you guys need for sure. Okay. So this comes with it. This. Alright. And this. So these are actually very important elements for you guys to get started. To inflate your tires or even your basketball. So let's put that away and let's take a look at this. So basically that's all you guys get as accessories for this. That come with it, obviously. You guys can purchase other stuff on the side. So let's take a look at it. So it's pretty small. Looks pretty nice actually. It's really small. So this actually tells you on the box itself, so it will tell you like all this, what you can use it for, and what's the intended use. So as you guys can see, it's really small tank. I mean, here's my hand, so you guys can get an estimation of how big this is. It's actually really small. I would say this would be 1 iPhone, 2 iPhones, 3 iPhones. So that's an approximate size to give you guys an idea of it. It's pretty lightweight. So here's where we're gonna plug everything in. Here we go, meter wise. What else we got? An off switch. Here's some importing info you guys may want to see. Alright. So let's turn this around. So although I'm saying this is light, I mean carrying it on your hands is not. With one hand, it's not the lightest thing in the world. Here's the warning label. I'm gonna show you the bottom of it. Alright. And that's about it. I mean, there's not much to show you guys. Alright. So now I'm gonna show you how to set this up. Easy to set it up. It's the electricity, by the way. You guys can see. Alright. Set it up. Very easy. As any compressor. You guys have this, right? So what you guys need to do is actually plug this in. So see this end right here? this is what you guys are gonna plug in there. Okay. We plug this in like so. It's gonna snap in and then pressure it out. There's other ones where you actually take this in, like this, and then you put this in. But in this case, that's actually already like that. So you guys have to do is like pressure it in, and that's it. So again, to take this out, you guys won't be able to take it out. You have to like hold this and pull it back. So once you pull it back, you guys can snap it out. It's actually gonna spit it out. And right now to put it in, just pressure it in and you're all set. So as you can see, pretty easy, right? So second thing, you guys see this, right? So here you guys are gonna put whatever you choose. All right, so we did get, let me just show you the accessories, right? So for your tires, maybe you guys want this. So you guys can just put it around. And there you go. Now you guys can inflate your tires. Now something I suggest buying, it just makes life easier. It's one of those things that will inflate your tires, but at the same time give you the PSI and tell you how much you guys need. Those are around $15 when they're on sale, so I would get one of those. But apart from that, you're all set. You guys could leave this on all the time. And before inflating your tires or anything like that, I would highly suggest plugging this in, turning it on, and leaving it so it charges the tank, okay? I know a lot of people straight up plug it in to some electricity and then try to inflate their tire, and it's gonna take forever. So don't do that. Just let this baby charge for a little bit, let the tank get full, and then inflate your tires. It's gonna make your life a lot easier. For some of you, you may see that this is not enough. You guys will need a bigger tank to get things done faster, but for most of you, for little things, and if you got time, something like this would be just enough. When you're inflating your tires, I do suggest having this plugged into some electricity, just because it would start working again and refilling some air to it once this detects that it's low. Okay, so that's something to watch out for. Other than that, as you can see, the setup's easy, straight up, right away. What other tips can I guys give you? That's about it. There's really no maintenance on these guys, so you guys don't have to worry about that. It's oil free, so even the oil ones, really, when they see maintenance free, the oil ones, nothing happens to them. If they're left out in your garage, it's really cold in there over the winter, then yeah, the oil free ones do have problems turning on sometimes, not all the time, but these ones shouldn't, and that's a good thing about these oil free ones. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here below in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.